In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build email templates in HubSpot. Creating email templates can be a game changer for your marketing efforts, allowing you to streamline communication with your audience and maintain a consistent brand voice. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. Once you're logged in, head over to the Marketing section on your HubSpot dashboard. This versatile platform is designed to help you effectively manage your marketing campaigns, and today we'll be focusing on its email marketing feature. Next, navigate to the Email section in the Marketing dropdown. Here, you'll find the tools you need to start creating your email templates. You'll see a button labeled Create Email. Go ahead and click this button to get started. HubSpot offers a user-friendly interface to help you craft professional-looking emails with ease. After clicking on Create Email, you'll be prompted to select a sending method. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Drag and Drop. This method is highly intuitive and provides a flexible and visual way to design your email templates, making the process smoother, especially if you're a beginner. Once you're in the drag and drop interface, the next step is to click on Create New Template. This action will allow you to start from scratch, giving you the freedom to build a template that aligns perfectly with your brand's needs and aesthetic. Naming your template is crucial. Give it a descriptive name. This step will make it easier for you to locate and manage your templates, especially as your library of templates grows. Think of a name that clearly reflects the purpose or content of the email, so it's instantly recognizable. Now comes the fun part, designing your email template. Use the drag and drop feature to add various elements such as text, images, and buttons to your template. This feature allows you to customize your email's look and feel by simply dragging elements from the sidebar and dropping them where you want them to appear in your email layout. Experiment with different elements to see what works best. Consider including call-to-action buttons and eye-catching images to engage your audience effectively. Once you're satisfied with your design, your final step is to save your hard work. Click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Save to store your new email template. This ensures your design is ready to use anytime you're preparing to send out an email campaign. And there you have it. A simple guide on building email templates in HubSpot. Mastering this tool will not only save you time, but will also enhance the efficiency of your email marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.